Seeing who wants some sweet corn this morning. Hi boys. Oh, are we coming straight out? Are we going to get some food? Yeah. What's that? Reggie, Ronnie. Not sure. Really not sure. Don't normally get fed first thing in the morning, do you? Okay. Oh, not bothered. Let's see if little Domino and Daffy. Good morning. Hi there. Hey. You normally come and take things from my hand, don't you? What do you think? Sweet corn's yummy. You want some? What are you doing? Let's put a couple of those there. Good. Actually, let's change that water. Go and get it before the boys get it. They'll steal your food. Let's see how the little chuckies are doing. I saw Pepper and Chili having a little face-off last night, so I think they might be boys. Hello! And Ginger, I think, is a girl, but we'll see. What's this? Let's pop that there. Not sure, are you? Hi there, Pepper. Hi there, Chili. Gonna give it a try. Ooh. Not sure, are you? You gonna have a look? It's quite tasty. Not enough water as well. You gonna take a look? Nobody is sure. Yeah, look. Oh, no. Oh, almost on my head. Okay, well. Ginger's eyeballing it. Oh well, not a great success. I thought they would go mad for it. They're going to try it. They're going to try it. Go on, give it a try. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. It's just sweet corn. Right, I'm going to leave you to it. Okay. Hey, boys. Right. Good morning. Oh, is that a frog? Right, let me clean out your water. I know you're going to want to eat it. Diego standing guard. What are you doing, bud? I'm not sure. Here comes Bella. Hey kids! My wings are getting big, eh? Bella's taken an interest in there. Ah! What are you doing? Hey? Oh, I think the boys might go and get it. Where do you think you're going? Hey! They've escaped. Diego's keeping an eye on them. Good boy. Hey? Come on then. Let's go back. Go back in. Right. You going to try some? Yeah. What's that? Domino. Domino. Duffy. What's that? What's that? Okay, it's a bit easier if I hold it. There we go. Oh, found a bug. Mmm, delicious. I came down the other morning and Daffy had a huge cricket in its mouth. Oh, not sharing. Bitten off literally a little more than you can chew. Come on then. Okay, this is the water tub I need to change, so let me go and do that. All right, see you later. Well, well, well. Just had a little surprise. I was just in the duck pen next door, and Pepper here on the right just had a little crow. Ooh, 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 but hasn't obviously found his voice fully yet. How exciting! Pepper! I saw the two with the crops. So Chili and Pepper, I saw them sort of shaking out their neck feathers. All right, lads. I'm talking. He's not going to do it again now, is he? Now that I've got the camera back out. So it's official. Pepper is definitely a rooster and probably Chili as well, which means that I've got more boys than girls, haven't I? You two. Boys, boys. Pepper, definitely. Probably Chili. And then poor little Ginger's going to have to put up with having two boys. Oh, my goodness. What on earth? So what must they be now? Just 8 weeks old. 8 weeks. Oh, trying to catch flies. Hey, Pepper. Hey. Ew. Oh, bless. Still not sure about that sweet corn, are they? Ginger looks a bit cold. She's puffed up all her feathers. I say she. I think she's definitely a she. She's definitely much more timid than the other two. Oh, hi Bella. You're not supposed to be in here, are you? Hey. Ooh. Pepper's going to go and tell Bella to get lost. What is she doing, eh? What's she doing? What Ginger's doing? Oh, and a little scratch. You're looking for mice, Bella? Hey. Bella. Gosh, she looks massive compared to them, doesn't she? Oh. Diego's coming in. What the heck? It's not a big step, buddy. Right, I think we'll have to get rid of you because you're going to definitely scare the chickens. Your babies are next door. This is the wrong house. Although this was where Dottie was sleeping. Come on, Bells. Let's go. Go, go, go. On you, Diego. Go on. No. This is not time for a dirt bath. Out. Thank you. Right. Maybe if I leave them to it. Come back and see you guys. Yes. I have a hunch about these two as well. See if they'll come running. So Domino's got like a little bump right at the top of its beak. And I'm wondering, given that Diego has got the red bobbles all over her. Just casually cruising around. Yeah, so I'm wondering if Domino isn't a male. Because even though they hatched on the same day, slightly bigger than little Daff. Hey. So I don't know if you can see right at the top of the beak. Whoop, there's like a little bobble. Is that my finger? Whoops. Maybe you can see better from the side. So I don't know. I think Domino could be a male. He's going to be very handsome. Oh, yeah. Let's see if the chickens or the rooster has a little crow while we're back in here again. I don't know. Should we wait and see? So these guys will be 7 weeks old tomorrow. Look, the little baby feather's just disappearing off here. Your baby fuzz. And some more sweet corn. I think we're done with sweet corn for now, aren't we? Hey? Let's see if they run towards me, and you can see their wings. Come on. I think the chickens are actually having a go at the sweet corn down in the other pen. Oh. Right, kids, well, got a mole living in here as well. Okay. Hey. Poor Diego. He just gets chased around a lot by the boys. Right, time for my breakfast, I think. I'll have to come down and see if I can catch her. Oh yeah. Oh God. They're going mad for that sweet corn now. Okay. Oops. Let's put this back. course I can't say anything from there. Well, oh, Ginger's like picking up the scraps. Here we go. Success. Okay. Are you going to share some with Ginger? Ooh. Oh, Ginger. Ooh, got a junk down in one. Well, I think it's safe to say that they like sweetcorn. And yes, Pepper is definitely a rooster. Come here. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me hold it. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, you're strong, aren't you? There we go. That's better. Come on, Ginge. Are you going to come in? Try not to bite my fingers, please. Thank you. Come on, Ginger. Have a little bit. Come on, girl. Are you just not sure? What's going on? What's going on? Hey? She's not really getting a look in. Come on, boys. I thought you were supposed to show your lady where to get some food. Unless you're a little boy, little Ginge. Hi, love. She's not getting a look in, is she? I say she. Whoa. I'd say that was a success. Oh, hold on. Oops. Okay. Oh, God, my legs. I need to go and get some coffee. There we go. Oh. What are you saying? Hey? Oh, they're not letting you get any. Right, boys. Ooh. Leave it to it. Make sure you get some of that. Ginger. Alrighty, coffee time. See you later.